Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is Anthony from Joyce here, and today's video let me show you one of our most popular texture hair we have, and this is curly hair. Please look at this hair. This is 6 mm curl we have, and we steam process from the Chinese raw version here, which is cuticle aligned, and we steam process it to make this hair. As we know, curly hair is one of the most popular texture, very popular in the market, but to make a high quality curly hair require a really good hair. Usually the curly hair more likely to be tangle or matter, but we have this raw Chinese hair steamed curly hair, you can see, and this hair will not have any tangle or matter problem. Please look at this hair. This hair we're getting 100% good comments from the market. We know Remy hair can also make curly hair, but it may not hold the curl so well and it may not last so long time. But with this raw Chinese steamed hair, it can last a really long time, and you are free of tangling or matting issues. Take a close look at this hair. And we guarantee that you can use this hair for a very long time, and it will be great, very beautiful. You can see this color is very beautiful color and very healthy color. With 2 bundles, you can easily make one full head. This hair is braid hair, which means directly cut from human head, so it's all cuticle line, and also with steam process it's all cuticle intact as well. All hair tech, there isn't any messy color. All hair is very even. And very greatly secured. Much better compared with so many so-called virgin hair in the market. If you like this type of curly texture, make sure that you can contact me. We can also make smaller curl like 3 mm, 4 mm, 6 mm, and even smaller curl, and it holds well and it works long time. Say it again. So thanks for watching today's video. If you like curly hair, you want the top quality curly hair, please make sure contact us or shop on our website. And if you like hair, you want to looking for a hair vendor, or you want to communicate with hair, welcome to contact us. Thanks for your time for watching this video. Please subscribe and share. Have a nice day.